If you type in dropshipping on YouTube, 99% of these videos are absolute bullshit. These guys are all teaching you outdated strategies that they have used in the past, and they now have that one single Shopify screenshot that they use to sell you their courses. Now, why can I even bash these guys? Well, yesterday on one of my stores, I did 25K in total revenue. I have 3 more stores, and I've been doing consistent revenue like this for 2 full years now. In this video, I wanted to show you guys the 4 steps you need to scale from 0 to 1K per day with dropshipping and then scale to numbers like I just showed you. It's gonna be a no bullshit guide on how I run my dropshipping stores with nothing held back. So close the TikTok app, pay attention, and let's start making some money with dropshipping. Dropshipping obviously begins with product research, so let's do it together. I always use a spy tool. In my case, I like to use Miniup. There's a 20% discount link below, but for the filters, I set the Ecom platform to Shopify, minimum likes to 200 and minimum comments to 100. And then I start scrolling. Now, obviously, we're not going to test just everything that we see here. We need some criteria. And in my opinion, the health and the beauty niche are the best niches to go for in dropshipping. Health is the easiest because it solves physical pain, which is the strongest form of pain a human can have. Imagine you have back pain right now and you can't even live your life normally. You will easily spend your money on anything that will help you solve that back pain. And as far as beauty goes, billions of women feel insecure as fuck when they do not feel beautiful. It's ingrained into our DNA, and a woman not feeling beautiful is a massive pain point as well, very close to physical pain. So let's just scroll and see what we can find. This looks very interesting. Sleep sock against foot pain. This ad has 1,800 likes, which is a lot, and they run in the Netherlands, so this might be a very good product. Let's just keep scrolling. So right here, this product, the decompression belt, I've personally scaled this product to, I think, around 200K in total revenue myself on my dropshipping stores. So it is not too expensive to ship. The cost of goods are about $18 for this product, and we can sell this for around $50 to $60. Big margin, massive pain point, absolutely the perfect health product. Now the next step is to obviously build out a store, but not the way you think. In most cases, people will tell you to just create some shitty Shopify store like everybody else. But if you do this in 2024, you will be competing with all the beginners. Your conversion rate will suck. Your competitors are going to be able to rip your product in 2 minutes because they can just export and import it straight into their Shopify store, and you won't make a lot of money. Introducing sales funnels. To keep it as simple as possible, a sales funnel is just a much more advanced product page where you have a lot more customization, resulting in a 3 times higher conversion rate. Your competitors cannot just rip your products by exporting and importing them to their stores, and you can scale your winning products much higher due to the high conversion rate. So why is no one else using this no-brainer sales funnel method yet? Again, because these dropshipping gurus are just not dropshipping themselves. It's that simple. They have no idea what works in 2024. Or they might just use this method, but they're hiding it from you. Just a little disclaimer, I recently found 2 gurus who are reselling my funnel templates in their mentorship, which I gave away for free on my YouTube channel. So for anyone claiming to be the new funnel expert in dropshipping, know that it's all a scam. But back to the video. Now, the product that I just found on Minia, as I said before, I scaled this product in the past. And I already have a full case study uploaded on YouTube on how I scaled this product. I even show you my website, so you can check that case study out right here. I highly suggest you do so. But let me show you right now what the funnel looked like. Now, what makes this funnel so special? Let's dissect everything. First of all, Funnelish allows us to use a custom logo per product. This allows us to look like the main brand of any product that we're selling. Now, if you're wondering, the logo/brand name that you invent for your product does not need to match your domain name. People don't care about the domain name. You just want to have a nice looking store front. So call it whatever you want, create a nice logo for it, and boom, you're now the main brand of this product. As you can see in the title, we have obviously the product name as well as the main benefit that our product gives to the customer. Relieves back pain in 10 minutes. The main principle here is that whenever your customer lands on your product page, they do not have to think, they do not have to scroll, they immediately understand the benefits of this product. A big part of that is also the main image. We do not only just show the product, but also a person experiencing the product. As you can see, this lady clearly has back pain. Your customer immediately understands what this product is all about. Then we always have these 4 main benefits. Again, your customer does not even have to scroll down their phone to completely understand the product. We say that it eliminates back pain in 10 minutes, it increases mobility and energy, you can save money on a chiropractor, and no results, money back guarantee, always with any health products that you sell. We also have this sneaky chiropractor recommendation. Do with this information as you please. But having this chiropractor section right under your add to cart button, where the customer decides to buy or not, increases conversion rate massively. Another big benefit of these funnel pages. Now, your headlines and your images are the most important part of your funnels. The paragraphs, they don't really matter. You can easily generate them with ChatGPT like this, but you should really be thoughtful of your headlines and your images. Then if we keep scrolling down, we can see that we end our product page with 3 testimonials. What's very important about these testimonials is that you really think of who your target customer is and try to write an as specific testimonial as possible that matches the life of your target customer. And if you go down even more, we have a FAQ section which answers all the possible objections our clients might still have. And if we click through to the checkout page, as you can see, instead of on Shopify where you have a 3-step checkout, this checkout is all on one single page. So first you have the offer selection. We have 3 different bundle deals to choose from, not just one. The middle bundle is pre-selected. As you can see, the 2-piece bundle for you and your partner is the pre-selected one. This is the path of least resistance. So most customers will keep this pre-selected, increasing your AOV, increasing your profits. Then on the same page, they enter their shipping details, and normally when you have your payments enabled, they would be right here as well. So it is a full 1-page checkout instead of the 3-page checkout on Shopify. Less clicks means less brain power needed, means higher conversion rate, means higher profits. And then one last massive thing in funnelage that we always do to increase our profits is this express priority shipping option. This is first of all pre-selected, and secondly, it is also a no-brainer to get for the customer. By selecting this offer, their shipping is faster. Now this is a sneaky little thing to add $4 of pure profit to your entire margin. I'm sure you now understand why this funnelage thing is much more lucrative than Shopify, and it is not even hard to learn. You literally have my free template in the description below just to import into your funnelage account. Now we have a nice product, we have a nice website, but how the hell are we gonna get the customers? We're not gonna do TikTok organic. We're not gonna do TikTok ads, Snapchat ads, Google ads, just plain and simple Facebook ads. You have huge scalability. I have scaled to $40,000 in one day in the past on Facebook ads, as well as the perfect demographic for health and beauty products. Older people, 40 to 50 plus years old, who don't know that well how the internet works. These are obviously the easiest clients to sell health and beauty products to, and they have money. Now, where do we get our video ads from? It is super simple. Whenever we test a product, we just copy or borrow the video from our competitor. It is that simple. Obviously, when we run, for example, in an EU market like the Netherlands, we would translate that video in Dutch, meaning we would cover up the subtitles with Dutch subtitles and we would add a Dutch text-to-speech in the background. If you want a full tutorial on how I do this and how I edit my video ads, I have a full guide on this uploaded last week. Check it out right here if you haven't already. But make sure you find 2 to 5 videos the way I just described them. And now you're ready to test them on Facebook using the following campaign structure. Again, 2 to 5 ads, no targeting, CBO of $100, and then obviously you select the country wherever you're selling to, and that's literally it. We let it run until $40, and if we do not have a sale, we kill the campaign and we move on to the next product. If we do have sales and the day ends profitably, we double the budget. Now, for more details on how to actually set this campaign up on Facebook and how to scale it properly, I already have a full tutorial on that as well, which you can watch right here. Now, to actually start making thousands of dollars in revenue per day, the last step is going to be your most important one. I'm talking, of course, about scaling your business. For reaching $1,000 per day in revenue, you literally just have to repeat step 1 to 3. I'm 100% convinced that's all you need to do. Now, if you reach 1K per day, you need to start hiring a team and start building systems. That is where the real challenge starts, because building a consistently profitable business is actually the hard part. So many people and gurus online have been able to scale their dropshipping stores to like 10K per day, 20K, 30K, 50K per day even once, and then their business collapses completely. This happened to us too many times before. Anytime we would scale, our business would be completely broken for the next 3 months. Only in the last 1.5 to 2 years we've mastered consistency. And that is a lot harder than just finding your first winning product. Now, a couple of videos ago, I shared my full strategy on how I hire people in my dropshipping business. I shared who you should hire at 1K days, at 3K days, at 5K days, at 10K days. The full dropshipping hiring tutorial that is nowhere else to be found on YouTube, you can watch right here as well. Now, finding your first winning product is again as simple as repeating the previous steps. Now, if you want the detailed technical explanation on how you set up your funnelish store, how you set up your Shopify store, how you set up your Facebook ads, how to connect your payment processors and all the nitty-gritty, you can check out my free course in the description below. It is my full A to Z dropshipping strategy with nothing held back. And yes, you heard that right, it is free. I was first gonna charge $1,000 or $2,000 for this, but fuck that shit. You can get it for free below. And if you have some starting capital and you want to avoid expensive mistakes, you can also get my personal one-on-one help right now. I have 3 mentorship spots open as I'm speaking. I'm not sure how much it's going to be when I'm uploading this video, but if you have the capital, you need the help and you want to grow as fast as humanly possible, check out the link below as well and apply for our mentorship. Now, there is a qualification process. Your mindset obviously needs to be right, but just book a call with my team and we'll see if this is a fit for you. Now, remember to never overcomplicate business because it is simple. 90% is just mindset, 10% is technicalities. Repeat the steps as I lay them out for you in this video in combination with my free course and you should be able to go from 0 to 1K per day with dropshipping. And if you're not able to, you're making excuses. So please trust me on this. Take action right now. Go to 1K per day and I'll see you in the comments if you did.